Here's some heliocentrism law trivia. Subscribe. Who proposed the heliocentric model? Is it A. Tycho Brahe, B. Nicholas Copernicus, C. Aristotle, or D. Ptolemy? The correct answer is B. Nicholas Copernicus. What theory replaced the geocentric model? Is it A. Ptolemaic system, B. flat earth theory, C. heliocentrism, or D. quantum mechanics? The correct answer is C. Heliocentrism. Which scientist was known for laws of motion? Is it A. Johannes Kepler, B. Albert Einstein, C. Isaac Newton, or D. Galileo Galilei? The correct answer is C. Isaac Newton. What is the movement of planets in a heliocentric model? Is it A. elliptical orbits, B. random movements, C. circular paths, or D. parabolic trajectories? The correct answer is A. elliptical orbits. Which scientist refined heliocentrism's mathematics? Is it A. Johannes Kepler, B. Tycho Brahe, C. Albert Einstein, or D. Aristotle? The correct answer is A. Johannes Kepler. What fundamental principle did heliocentrism rely on? Is it A. inertia, B. tidal forces, C. magnetism, or D. gravity? The correct answer is D. gravity. What term describes the center of a planet's orbit? Is it A. centroid, B. aphelion, C. foci, or D. periapsis? The correct answer is C. foci. Which mathematical model underlies heliocentrism? Is it A. string theory, B. quantum theory, C. celestial mechanics, or D. general relativity? The correct answer is C. celestial mechanics. What celestial framework did heliocentrism overthrow? Is it A. Galilean model, B. Newtonian cosmos, C. quantum mechanics, or D. Ptolemaic system? The correct answer is D. Ptolemaic system. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.